Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the passwords and security section. Now just go to the privacy, and here you'll see the SIM lock section. Just tap there, and as can you see, we got here lock SIM card switcher. Let's just turn on, and if you wanna remove your SIM pin from the SIM card, tap here once on the switcher, and here enter your currently PIN code. In my case that's from 1 to 4, and then just confirm by tap here to OK. And as can you see, right now we just deactivated the SIM pin from our SIM card, and that's so easy. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.